All right, guys. It's good to be back on the stream. It's good to be back, guys. Be active, guys. So we are currently we just placed a trade. I just sent it start to the community, but the trade is not yet active. So I'm waiting for this candle to flip bullish and push our way. So we're just waiting to see how this next 15 minutes response. So once we get the break of the high, it should be in our lungs and we'll be in a position we can look to secure. So what we want price to do is at this point, price should just flip bullish and like reject down a bit, flip bullish, break the highs, and we get activated once it breaks above its structure. This is exactly what I'm looking for now. This is what we're anticipating. So what we need to do, we just need to wait right now and see how that plays out. So So let me quickly break down the trade opportunities we're looking here in order for us to move ahead. Let me just show you guys what I think is going to happen. So first of all, price is very strong bullish. You have a very strong bullish momentum. You can see it's very strong bullish momentum to the upside. Then candles are printing strong bearish momentum and got to this level of support. You can see this is a place that price has gotten to in the past and support held. You can see the rejection that price did there. I can see how the candle is right now. So I just need price to just flip bullish, break is high, and once it continue pushing upward, we'll make some money. So that's the idea about the trade. That's just basically the idea. So that's why we have our entries here, and we're looking for how we can how we can make some money. Good to be in the chat, guys. Good to be in the chat. So let's just wait. Let's wait on this trade, and you can see that gold is very volatile. See, you can see how many pip stop loss I'm having. Good morning. You can see my pip count. You can see it's over 70 pip. Normally my stop loss is supposed to be like even like I'll take it back down here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to whatever I already have a 71 pip stop loss, but whatever this candle is, if you decide that this is where the low is, that's where I'm going to adjust my stop. So if price activates me now, I'm going to adjust my stop loss to this low and anticipate it to just continue pushing to the upside. So because I maintain one lot size, but for this particular one, I actually reduce the lot size. But I would like to see how I can manage the trade regardless of whatever it's going to be. So, but for now, we leave the stop loss at the way it is, and let's just observe. Let's observe. Hopefully, there's volume. If there's no volume, we'll wait for the 30 minutes, and we'll jump into the trade with the 30 minutes structure and all. But that's it. That's it, guys. I'm seeing the chat. Just hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. I'll reply to the chat. I'm just trying to figure out something. So my stop loss, I'm coming. I'll answer you quick. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to answer you guys. I'm going to answer you guys. So what question do you have about the stop loss? Let me know. Just hit me up. Let me know the question you have about the stop loss. Okay, guys, we're live. 1 second. Okay, guys, we're live. and I just call out the trade, but we're not yet active on the trade. Do the trade, hoping it get activated and we'll make some money off the trade. Hold on, guys. So, did you use candle low or stick to risk? So, um, initially, my risk reward used to be like, if I'm entering a trade, let's say I'm entering a trade now based on structure and stop loss and everything. This particular trade, um, on a normal trade, I used to have like, if my stop loss is too wide, is like 35, 40 pip stop loss. Do you understand? So I hardly have like from 10 to 40 pip stop loss. I use a particular loss size. But since this stop loss is way beyond my 40 pip stop loss, I have to reduce my risks because there's possibility of this price hitting 70 pip, because can you see how small it is? It's already 73 pip stop loss. Do you understand? So what I need to do is I reduce my risks. If I'm using one lot at this point, I divide it into two. Probably I'll just use. Okay, we're about to get activated, guys. We're about to get activated. We're about to get activated, guys. So I just divide my risks and enter it like that. Okay, the trade is active. The trade is active, guys. We're active. The trade is active, guys. So let's see. Let's see. So we are 20 pip, 30 pip now, guys. 30 pips, guys. See how easy it is. This is how easy it is, guys. It's like 30 pips. So guys, move your stop loss to break even at this point. 26 actually. Close to 30. I got close to 30 here. Move your stop loss to break even. We don't want to lose our profit. Or you can move it to this low. Slow, but nah, I'm moving it to break even. So I'm risk free on this trade. I'm risk free on this trade. Or better still, let's see. Can we secure something at 40? This is 40. Let's see. Let's see. Let's price. There's a lot of momentum. Price can move. If you get this trade can move. Like this trade can actually move. So let's see. Let's see. This trade can move, guys. This trade can move. I'll secure a little position at 40 just for securing sake. Just little. Should I hold? Let me hold on. Let me hold on. I'm already risk free on the trade. Let me hold on. Let me hold on. Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get. At least let's see if we can get 1 to 1. Let's get this thing to 70 people. Let's get to 70 people. We at 50 now. At 50 pips now, guys. Mind you, this is the last 15 minutes of the candle, so it's usually expect a retracement, a bit of retracement. So what I'm going to happen, I'm going to close. I close 50%. I try to close 50% at 50 pips. So that's a win for me. So let's my stop loss are BE. I'm risk free. So let me see if my runners can actually push the price up or down. So I'm risk free on this trade. 50 pip. I'm okay with 50 pip. I'm actually okay with 50 pip. And my stop loss was actually brought below the structure. But I'm break even now. So let's see how this candle play out. But I'm risk free. I'm risk free, and I've closed position at 50 pip. So I'm okay. I'm okay with the profit because this is a normal profit I'll make on a normal day because I don't. So most of the time we don't hold trade so up to 50 pip, and I'm mixing half of my account and half of my normal lot size, and price as normally we close like 20, 25, and I've gotten 50 pip means I've actually gotten part of my targets I usually chase on a normal day because price has gone two times my average risk to reward. So I close up some position, just 50%. But if this trade get to 100 pip, more profit for me. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how we can ride it. There's a lot of room, a lot of space for price to drive to the upside. So let's see how we can we can we can ride this trade. Let's see how we can ride this trade, guys. Let's see how we can ride this trade and make some money. It's not yet London section, and we're already milking the market. So let's see how we can ride this. Let's see how we can ride it, guys. 4 more minutes to the end of the candle. We just have 50 pip. One price to push more, so we can make more money. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like. It's not easy to just come on stream and call out trades and people make money. And I've not called out one bad trade this month since we've been trading. We just started trading not long ago, and I've not called out one bad trade for you guys. We're being on we're being on the wings, careful, entering careful trees, well planned trees, and we've been doing some W. So W's, guys. Let's see. Someone has closed at 40%, that's 40 pips, that's fine. Or they see enough room for this trade. The only problem is that the next candle, the 30 minutes candle, the new opening might give us a retracement. Hopefully, it doesn't take us out at BE before it pushes upward. That's just the only thing we should be mindful of right now. But if we get all of that, everything looks good, the structure looks good, the volume looks good. So, this is good enough for price to continue pushing to the upside. You can see it's coming back down. So like I told you, this is like last 30 minutes of like last minute of the candle, last 15 minutes. So you always expect a bit of retracement. But let's see if you can survive this. I'm okay with the close. I got 50 pip. I closed at 50. I was okay. I closed some position at 50. I was okay. I was very okay with that. But let's see if if we can survive, our runners can survive this pullback. And let's see, at least let's get price getting to this point. This point is good for us because this is like a rejection area. Price started pumping down from. You can see there was a rejection and price gave us a structure here, created a support on the small support on the 5 minutes, and price started pushing downward. So let's see if we can get price to get to that point. I think when price gets to there, about 90 pip, or yeah, 100 pip. So 100 pip will be perfectly fine for us on this. So let's see how we can get price getting to 100 pip. Let's see. So we have like few seconds to the end of the candle. Few seconds to the end of the candle. We're doing good so far, so good. So everything is good, guys. Let's see. Let's see how we can make money. If you're tuning in the stream, give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like. Leave a comment. Share the stream. Share the stream to your friends, your workers. Let's share it. Let's get more people into the stream. So you can see it's rejecting Start rejecting. Let's see. Let's see. Few more seconds. Are we going to survive? The only thing here we just ask ourselves: are we going to survive the pullback, or price is going to push up? So if we're going to survive the pullback, that would be very nice. But if price decides to just push up, I like the way the 5 minutes ending. If price decides to push down deeper, then that's it. Are we going to survive? Are we going to survive this pullback? Are we going to survive? I'm going. I'm going to enter in. Once it's start pushing. We're not entering any trade anymore. We've gotten our entry. Even though this would, if I've not gotten into this trade, I'm looking for buys above here. But we're in this trade already. We made money from this trade, and we're okay with it. So let's see if we're going to survive this pullback, price break above. If price can break above this previous, like this highs here, break above this high, we're good. We're good to go. Like we're 1% good to go. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out, guys. Let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out, guys. Can we survive that? So it's pushing up. It's pushing up, guys. Can we just get that break? It's pushing. It's pushing up, guys. It's pushing up, guys. Can we get that break? Can we get that break? Can we get price breaking above that level? Let's see. Let's see if we can get that break, guys. Let's see if we can get that break. We need price breaking above this level, and we're just like 40 people away from there. So let's see. Let's see. And can we survive this? Just have to see if we can survive it. That's just it. Aside that, structure was good, profit is good, everything is good. We're on point. We're on track. So let's see if we can make good use of this. So that's just it. Let's see if we can make good use of this. But regardless of the outcome, profit has been secured. The day is good. So always secure profit, man. You don't want to be in a trade. You don't want to be in a winning trade and end up losing it or losing money from the trade. So always try and secure as much profit as you can secure. That's like the most important thing. Let's see. We just chill. We just waiting, chilling and observing. So we've been just the stream has been going on for like 32 minutes. We caught this wonderful buy, and I think I've not been. This is just barely 10 or 15 or 20 minutes. I've been showing like I just came on. I switched the camera to my face, and we got a good trade. So we're getting a break. Let's see, guys. So I've not even said anything. I've not told the guys in the group to close any position. I just put 50 people in profit. But I know some people have already closed. I know some people have closed, but regardless of that, let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's even see if we can get at least let's get price to 70 peep. At least 70 peep. Let's get it to one. Which is gonna be nice. Yeah, price is breaking above the structure now. Let's push. Let's get that push. Let's get that push, guys. Let's get that push. Let's get that London push. So this is 1 hour structure breaking above. It's high. You can see it's broken now. It's pushing. It's pushing. I'm at 60. Yeah, I'm at 60 beep. I'm at not 60, 50 something. Let's push, guys. Let's push. Let's push, guys. Easy planned, easy structure, easy call out, and easy profit. You can see this is why we don't rush to place any random opportunities in the market. Like we just wait for the perfect setup. You can see I'm streaming for like 2 weeks, if I'm mistaken, and I've called out just three trades, like three trades. And you can see one was break even. We got 30, then we got some like even the break even was because I didn't want to close, but I got 20 people. I didn't want to close. That's why we got back at BE. and you can see we've gotten to 70 pip now, guys. I think we're at 1 to 1, so you can close some position. Price go to 72 pip, 73 pips now, guys. 73 pips. So 1 to 1, you can decide to close. You can decide to close all if you want. Close some position. Close some position, guys. So yeah, 100 pip. We're close to 100 pip mark, guys. Close to 100 pip. Yeah, that's it. We just got to 100 pip, guys. 100 pip on the trade. 100 pip on this trade, guys. 100 pip on this trade. 100 pip on gold, guys. 100 pip on gold. Let's see. Let's see if you can get price going to 140 pip. So that'll be 1:2. And that will be like our max. You can I just closed on that position. So let's see if you can get price getting to 140 pip. And let's see if I can get to 140 pip. I've already closed on that position right now. I closed on that position on 100. But let's see if you can get price to 140 pip, which is going to be a perfect place. So you can see this was the area I was looking at for price to get to. You can see price is rejecting of that area now. So let's see if we can get this 5 minutes candle, price closing bullish around the 5 minute candle. But I've closed like majority of my position. I'm way up, so I'm okay with the trade. But let's see how price can close strong. Let's see how you can close more. You can see how easy it is, guys. You can see how easy it is. Just follow your plan, follow your setup, follow what the market is telling you, and you make money at the end of the day. So that's just it. So we have 100 people, it's like 100 people on. So nice trade, guys. Nice trade. Nice trade, guys. You can see it's rejecting, guys. It's rejecting a bit, but we don't really care about that anymore because we up, baby. We up. We up on the trade. Okay. All right, guys. We just closed about 100 people on gold, and you can see W's on the charts. People are saying the close of the trade. You can see this is a trade when they call it out, 100 pip, and that's it. So you can see that exactly the spot I was anticipating. I was telling you that I want gold to get to, like we might get a rejection, and you can see that's exactly where price got to. This is like the major TP area. So in order for us to have like full belief that price wants to keep pushing to the upside, we need this candle to close bullish. So another thing I always want to tell you guys, like I want you guys to learn properly and always make sure you use it in your day-to-day trading is um I know we have this I know we have this range. You get me? I know we have this entire range. So if I measure this range is about what? About 400 pips. But if I measure from this exact point price side pushing up to this point, I know we get like close to 200. Yeah, it's 200. So if you enter a trade, don't always look to target the entire range. Like, okay, this is a structural price might come back up to complete the entire structure. Don't do that. Don't do that. um 60% of the time price will not cover that structure. So but I can guarantee you like 80% of the time price will give you a retracement of 50% or more, like a Fibonacci retracement. I know you guys know about Fibonacci. Yeah, I know this is like a whole different thing I'm telling you guys, but you can see if I drop my fib to this structure, you can see that price got to more than 50% of the candle. You can see it more than 50%, even close to 61%. This should be what you guys should always look at when you're looking at, like, don't look to trade the entire range. You can always probably you can have a small runner and anticipate, okay, price might likely push and run longer, but do not hold your trade for don't do that. So you can see the trade is literally retracing back, but already done with it. We're already done with the trade. We have no business in the trade anymore. We just have a little runner going on in the trade. So let's see how that one can give us profit. Yes, let's see how that can give us profit. So if you guys have any questions, shoot me, guys. If you have any questions, shoot me. I'm ready to answer any question you guys have for me. Just shoot me, guys. All right, guys. We're waiting. What's happening is that we're going to wait for just waiting because obviously there's no any possible way that I'm going to enter another trade after 100 people on gold. Do you get? There's no possible way. So last year January. Wait, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something real quick. Like, you guys are not in my if you guys are not in my Telegram, please, my free Telegram, you can please do and join my free Telegram. So last year January, um we just had, let me show you guys. This was our stats for last year. This was our January, February. This was the entire start for last year. We closed with about 2,795 pips, and I gave a breakdown on how much you could have made. This was like I posted this like a few weeks ago, but I gave a breakdown on how much you could have made trading all this. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. I keep record of like my channel is basically like my second journal because I just keep track of everything I'm doing. Let me show you guys something else, like a quick rundown. Even though you have like the least amount of money, just start trading with small money. Just the plan is just try and stay disciplined. Try and place like one or two trades a day, and that it's one is even fine. if you want to build your discipline properly, one trade is fine. If you take a loss, walk away. Just one trade is fine. Then with time, when you have built a lot of confidence in yourself, then you can decide to start placing, looking for more opportunities in the market, placing two trades and all you get. But for now, for someone that's starting off or trying to build discipline, one trade a day is perfectly fine for you. You can see me, I always come here, I call out one trade. Sometimes it's if you the only few times you see me call out two trades, even in the group, apart from the private group where I call out more than one trade. Sometimes I trade like I sometimes I call out trades on NY section as well. So apart from that, most of the time it is one trade I call it a day. So I was showing you guys I talked about this was when October finished. I talked about how much you could have made even with the lowest loss side, which is 0.01. So if you had like a $10 account starting of the year, if you have just stayed consistent to my trades, calling like placing on the trades I called out for you throughout last year, we have closed with around 247 dollar in profits just with your $10. I mean, imagine starting the year with $10 and you're ending up closing like ending up the year with about 247. That's crazy. And you can see for this one 10 lots um for 0.10 lots. Which is a crazy one. So let's assume if you're using a 10 lot account, probably you should be trading with a minimum of give or take for me maybe $500, give or take maybe $500, maybe depends on the stop loss. So 500, 600, $700 is fine for that. You can see how much profit would have closed. So this one um for 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 one lot you can see 47. So this one minimum of 5k, so minimum of 5k upwards. This is what I use for one lot. You can see how much you have closed the year with. With this one at least minimum of um 50k dollars. Imagine starting the year with $25,000 or 50k dollars. Yeah, 50k dollars is fine for this 10 lots. And you can see you're closing with close to quarter a million. You can see it, which is crazy. So this all with just free trades, man. Free trades. If you just come to my signal, enter my free trades, this is how much you will be able to have made last year. So which is crazy, which is actually crazy stacks. But most people don't know that it's like over profit is made over the years. So you can see if you do this, even if you start with this lot size, and by the end of the year you increase your lot size. If you do it consistently for 3 years, you don't know that from your small account you can go into a very 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 large amount. I just told you this one will have been done with a minimum of 25 to 50k or probably 100k. So you have made a lot of money trading with me just for free. So this is my stats and this is what we've been doing. So you can see the trade has started pushing back up. It's not broken above this level though, but it's pushing back up. So let's see if we can get to 140. 140 is my overall TP for my positions. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to move my stop loss to this low. Yeah, I'm moving my stop loss to this low. So it's pushing back again. So let's see. We're close. We're very close. Just about 15 more pips, and that's it. Hope you guys learned something from today's stream. Hope you guys are learning something. All right, guys. That is about it. That's 140 pips. 140 pips, guys. 140 pips. 140 pips, guys. 140 pips on gold. Ooh. So I'm trying to show you guys that last year for January I closed up with like 20 people like the entire month, and this month give or take I've done like I'm going to add these runners. You get I'm going to add these runners, but we have done about 90 pips if I just follow up with the normal structure. So I've done like 90 pips. But the runner so is making money, so it's some positions too. So there's some people that are still holding it completely. So yeah, let's call it 140 pips as well. You get me? So massive wins, W's guys, W's, massive wins, massive wins. So if you guys have any question concerning this trade, why I place the trade or anything, you can shoot me, and I don't mind explaining back again why then before we round up the stream, because we're about to round up the stream, guys. So we're just about to round up the stream. So if you guys have any questions for me, you can shoot me and I will answer you, and that'll be all. That'll be all. Hopefully we can, before we finish the stream, hopefully we can get like 200. I move my stop loss to this low. It's at this low now. Or let me move it to 100 pips. Let me move to 100 pips. Don't be greedy, man. Don't be greedy. I've got to 140 already. Anyways, close or close. Let's close all at 140. Let's close school at 140. Even I know that this rate has a lot of potential of pushing more to the upside, but I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it, guys. All right, guys. I think since there's no question to be asked, I think that should be all for today. We made a very beautiful trade. We got into a very beautiful trade on gold this morning, and we have profit to testify about it. So this was a very good trade on gold. Very good trade on gold, and I'm happy that a couple of people actually made money from it as well. So this will be where we close of the stream. This will be where we close of the stream, guys. So I'm going to see you guys same time. Um, same time tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. I don't know if I'll stream tomorrow, but I'll let you guys know how it's going to be. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow, guys. Bye. Who be that?